In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Twitter account public. If your account public, it means that anyone can view your tweets. And it's very simple and easy to make your Twitter account as public. And let me show you how to do that. So, first open up your Twitter app, and then hit there at the top left, on your profile picture. And there hit on Settings and Privacy. Now hit on Privacy and Safety. And there hit on Audience and Tagging. And now, in order to make your Twitter account public, you need to disable a dead option, protect your to be. So, disable that, because if this option is enabled, Twitter show your tweets just to people that follow you. So, now this option is disabled and your Twitter account are public. Now this how it works, guys. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.